Hi everyone, today I have here a new toy. It's called My Mini Mixie Cube Neon Arcade Playset. Well, the My Mini Mixie Cubes have been out for a while, but I'm talking about the playset is just recently been putting out and seen in stores. I just picked this up and I found it at Target. So yeah, I mean, let's just get this open and see what it's like. I mean, just look at this. It says try me. And so you can press this and it lights up and makes some sounds. Here are the little mini Mixie cubes, some accessories. Look at this. There's like little pizza and fries. There's like a little stand. I mean, look at this little claw machine. It's a trophy. So yeah, let's just get this opened. So let's pop these out. Look at this one. I love her little glasses. Okay, let's get out the other one. This one's a boy. How cute. Okay, now I have everything out. Here are the little people. Here are the table and chairs. Not really sure what this is. Here is the little claw machine. I don't know where to put this. Sorry if you hear any buzzing. We have so many flies in my house right now. So I just figured out this is actually supposed to resemble a basketball. And over here, let's move this to the side real quick. But over here, there's this thing which is like a basketball shooter, and you can place the little basketball on here and shoot it and try to get it in this little hoop right here. That's really cool. Here is a little air hockey thing right here. It looks like a little bowling ball because it's got the little 3 holes. Don't really know how to do it though. Like, do you just do that and just like bring this up, and then you can have a little Mixie cube hit it and you get a strike. This is really, really cute. And then let's look at these little food pieces. So here are some French fries. Here are the little pizza slices, and it's got, you know, a pink plate on it. And I was also told that on the box it says that this playset can fold up into a cube. So let's see how it folds up to a cube. So that's what it looks like all folded up. Here are all the designs. There's a little bowling alley, there's a ladder. Here is some video game console. Here's a little Mixie cube right here, a door, bowling pins. Here's a little disco, little person dancing. Here's another one. So yeah, this is really, really cute. Here is the sticker. The bottom of it, you can change out the batteries for the arcade, the dance floor. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short video on this playset. It's not too much in detail or anything, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye everyone.